Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to check and view history on Chrome browser. So if you want to view history on your Chrome browser, so just click on these three dots and click on history. So here you will find recent history, and if you want to watch and see all history, so click on this history, and also you can check and watch history by pressing Control H. So this tab and this page will open. So here you can manage and you can see this history, and if you want to delete and clear, so click here and you can select the time and click on clear data. Okay, so now all browsing history is deleted. So like this friends, you can check and view history on Google Chrome browser, and also you can delete this all history from your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.